Three income streams, all running on AI automation. Combined 70,000 rupees per month. This month I was traveling for 2 weeks. The income did not stop. Here is exactly how I built each one. Every tool, every workflow, every number. What's up everyone? Welcome back to Wealth AI, where we turn artificial intelligence into actual income. The phrase passive income is the most overused term in this space. Most things people call passive income are not passive. They are semi-active income that requires constant client management, ongoing creation, or regular platform maintenance. True automation income is different. Once the system is built and the client is on a retainer, the ongoing work drops to near zero. The income does not. Today I'm breaking down three specific automation income streams I built using Claude AI and a small number of supporting tools. Not theory, not here is what you could do. Here is what I actually built, what it took to create, what it earns monthly, and how many hours per month each one requires to maintain. Three streams, real numbers, full honesty. Let's go. Income stream 1. Automated monthly business reports. Monthly income 24,000 rupees. Monthly maintenance 2 to 3 hours. Here is the situation most local businesses are in. They have data they are not using. Google Analytics, Instagram Insights, customer reviews on Zomato or Google, sales reports sitting in a spreadsheet, raw data that nobody has time to read, understand, or act on. I built a system that pulls this data once per month, feeds it into Claude with a structured analysis prompt, and generates a clean 4-page PDF report. What worked, what did not work, and three specific recommended actions for the following month. The client pays 8,000 rupees per month. I currently run this for three clients. Total 24,000 rupees per month. My ongoing work 45 minutes per client to run the analysis and send the report. How the workflow runs. The data comes from public and shared sources. Google reviews, Instagram insights, the client shares access to, website analytics. The analysis prompt I built in Claude took 4 iterations to perfect. Now it runs in 20 minutes per client. The three clients, a local gym, a dental clinic, and a boutique hotel, all found through direct LinkedIn outreach with this pitch. Your business generates data every month that you are not using. I turn that data into a one-page strategic summary with specific action steps. First month completely free. If you find it valuable, 8,000 rupees per month ongoing. 3 free first months produced 3 paying retainer clients. All 3 are still active. No churn in 7 months. Income stream 2. AI content retainer, semi-automated. Monthly income 28,000 rupees. Monthly work 4 hours. This one is not fully passive. It requires 4 hours per month of oversight. But the ratio of income to time is exceptional. Two clients each pay 14,000 rupees per month for the following deliverable package: 12 LinkedIn posts, 4 email newsletters, and 1 blog article, all written in their voice, all approved by them before publishing. The workflow. I ran a 30-minute intake call in month 1 to extract each client's voice, their positioning, and their key content topics. I used that to build a custom Claude system prompt for each client, a detailed brief that tells Claude exactly who they are, how they communicate, and what topics to address. Every month, I run their content through that prompt, spend 20 minutes reviewing quality, send for their approval, which takes them 5 to 10 minutes, and deliver. Total time per client per month 2 hours. 2 clients 4 hours. Monthly income 28,000 rupees. The key to making this semi passive: the month 1 setup. I spent 3 hours in month 1 building and testing the perfect prompt for each client's brand voice. After that, every monthly run is nearly turnkey. The first month is work. Every subsequent month is maintenance. That is the automation income mindset. The full workflow document for both of these systems, including the Claude prompts I use, is in the Wealth AI newsletter. Free, every template. Link is in the description. Now, stream 3. This one has the highest growth ceiling of the three. Income stream 3. Weekly AI research subscription. Monthly income 18,000 rupees. Monthly work 6 hours. Highest potential ceiling of the three. Here is the concept. I identified a specific audience, D2C brand founders in India, who need weekly intelligence on one specific topic. What is working in direct to consumer marketing right now? New tactics, platform algorithm changes, competitor brand moves, emerging tools. I created a weekly research note, 5 pages, published every Friday. Subscribers pay 1500 rupees per month for access. Currently, 12 paying subscribers. Monthly income 18,000 rupees. Here is the automation component. I built a cloud workflow that monitors 8 industry newsletters and blogs I follow, extracts the most tactically relevant insights from each week, drafts the research note in my specific format, and generates the subject line and preview text for the email. My actual work, 90 minutes per week. I review the draft, add my own commentary and specific Indian examples that Claude cannot access, and publish. That is 6 hours per month. The growth math. This model scales with subscribers, not with my time. 30 subscribers at 1500 rupees is 45,000 rupees per month from the same 6 hours. 50 subscribers is 75,000 rupees. The cap is distribution, finding the right audience, not production capacity. I'm currently adding 2 to 3 subscribers per week through LinkedIn and direct WhatsApp community outreach. At that pace, I project 36,000 rupees to 45,000 rupees from this stream alone within 4 months. Total across 3 streams, 70,000 rupees per month. Total monthly active hours, approximately 13. Here is the honest lesson that most automation income videos never tell you. This is not free money. It is infrastructure income. You put in concentrated work to build a system that then runs at very low maintenance. The setup investment is real. Each of these streams took 15 to 20 hours to build in month 1. Month 2 onwards, 13 hours to maintain everything. Most people are not willing to invest 20 hours building a system that earns 24,000 rupees per month. That is exactly why the opportunity exists for the people who are. 3 lessons from building these streams. Lesson 1. The simpler the system, the more reliable the income. Stream 1. The monthly reports is the simplest. It is also the most predictable. Start with simple. Lesson 2. Retainer clients are everything. Project-based income is exhausting. You are always hunting for the next client. Monthly retainers are where automation income becomes real wealth. Lesson 3. Month 1 is always the hardest. Every system had problems in month 1 that did not exist in month 2. Build the patience to iterate through the first month. It gets significantly easier after that. Your action step? Pick one of these 3 streams. Write down the first 3 specific actions needed to build it, not in your head, on paper or in your phone. That specificity is what separates the people who actually build systems from the people who only watch videos about building them. Drop a comment with which stream you are targeting. I want to hear it. Subscribe to Wealth AI. Every week, one tool, one video, one step closer to financial freedom. I'll see you in the next one.